I have with me Ashutosh Padhy, one of the brightest player in the Indian snooker circuit. Ashutosh made a big splash in Indian snooker when he beat the great Pankaj Advani earlier this year. He's here at the All India Snooker Championship organized by the BSAG at its academy at Bambolim Stadium. Ashutosh, well done so far. How have you been feeling about your game?
I've been feeling really nice, been practicing a lot, and hopefully I'll play well in the tournament. Nice organization, it's a nice stadium, and congratulations to BSAG for organizing such a nice tournament. Hopefully the tournament goes well.
How has this year been for you? Of course, you've beaten Pankaj, so your game has got a big boost to start with.
Yes, definitely Pankaj Advani, obviously he is the idol for everyone in the game, and beating him was a really good feat for me, and I hope to continue the game ahead, and obviously beating him was a very big boost to my game, and I hope to keep doing that ahead.
Before coming here to Goa for this tournament, where have you been playing and what's the results so far?
Before this tournament, I had played in the Nationals. I haven't been playing recently, so the Nationals was my last tournament. So it's kind of a semi-comeback. Yeah.
Right. So with regards to snooker, progress of snooker in India, what do you feel about the recent strides taken in Indian snooker in general?
In general, I'll say there are a lot of all India level snooker tournaments coming up. Right after this, there's another ECC All India 6 Red Open in Bombay. Then there's another All India Open in there is another All India Open going on in Delhi. So it's really good to see a lot of All India Opens coming up, and the Nationals is itself the most prestigious tournament of the country. So it's overall the game is progressing, but I still feel there's a lot more to come.
How serious would you be going up in your career, going ahead in this year? Have you been? Would you be playing wherever there are tournaments all over India and abroad?
Yes, definitely. Going and participating in tournaments, gaining experience, that's the whole part of the game, and that's how you learn. So that's how you progress. So that's what I am looking forward to do, and hopefully I'll definitely go and play all the tournaments coming ahead.
Have you set yourself any target for any year, any timeline on your progress?
Definitely, last Nationals I missed out on the top 8. So I look forward to get in the top 8 in the next Nationals and qualify for the World Championships.
How do you feel about your chances at this particular tournament?
Well, definitely I've practiced a lot, and that's a positive. I'm very positive, and the tables are nice, the playing conditions are nice. So hopefully I'll do my best, and the rest is up to God.
All right, Ashutosh, all the best, and thank you for talking to us. So that was Ashutosh, one of the bright young players in the Indian snooker circuit, and we hope to catch up with more such talents at this ongoing All India tournament here at Bambolim.